Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see few journals which are related to textile and environmental science. So this video is specifically for the subscribers and viewers who has requested for this particular journal. Before we proceed, I would like to tell you that this is my channel, so here you can subscribe. If you haven't subscribed before, please subscribe it, like it if you really like the video, and share it with all your friends. And if you want to show your support, you can just click here, thanks. And this is one of the playlist where you can find many videos which covers almost more than 200 journals. And it arounds to more many domain. It covers more than 12 domains here. And also you can see in another playlist which is all about research. So here you can find more information about research funding agencies, how to start your phd, and what are the synopses you have to submit, what is thesis, how to publish the book, everything. So whatever the difficulties which I have faced when I did my phd, so all the difficulties I have overcome, and I have published in this particular playlist. So this is available in my channel, so please watch it. So this is the very first journal which we are going to discuss. This is energy and environment. So here you can see this is still in Scopus, and you can see what all the subject area they have covered and the published research sage. If you click on the source home page, you can come to the home page. And here you can see how many issues are there. They are issuing 8 issues per year, so it will be very fast. Like if once you submit, no, you can get, because since they are publishing 8 issues per year, then it will be very fast. If you go to the submission guidelines, you can see there are no fees payable to submit or publish in this journal. Other than this, you have to just look for the templates which you wanted to get it, and make sure that your article is under the scope whichever they have mentioned. And if you wanted to know the brief scope, you can click here aim and scope to know more about what are the scopes they are covering. So here you can see what are all the scopes they have. So once if you read this, no, you can understand. And also you can know more about the submission guidelines. And if you wanted to know more about it, if few information, if you feel like you couldn't get it, you can click on the frequently asked questions. So few questions will be answered, might be answered there, even though after this, after checking this link, you are not getting the exact answers, so then you can better mail them and get the solution. So the next video which we're going to discuss is what Global Journal of Environmental Science, sorry, next journal is what Global Journal of Environmental Science and Management. And this is by GJESM publication, and they are since 2015 to 23, and they may extend as well. So these are all the scope subject area they are covering, and this is the link of the journal. And here you can see that once if you click on journal information and click on about journal, you can see that the journal does not charge a submission fee, although for open access publication authors are required to pay article publishing charges. So if you wanted to go with an APC, that is, sorry, open access, then you have to pay this. Other than that, there is no charge for that. And if you wanted to know about the previous publications and everything, you can find it here. So guide for the authors, so how you have to prepare your paper, and what is the paper template, everything is given here. And you can see other option, there is other thing here. So publishing schedule, they have given Jan, April, July and October. So 4 issues per 4 issues per year. So you can submit it and get the reply from them. And the third journal is what Environment and Urbanization. So this is the scope of the journal, and they are since 1989. So once if you click, you can see they are issuing 2 issues per year. And here also you can see that the once you click on the submission guidelines, you can find whether it is a paid or So here you can see that there is no fees payable to submit or publish in this journal, and these are all the aim and scope of the journal. Completely you can check it. And the next journal is related to that is material science, that is for textile, I think. So this is, you can, journal of composite materials. And okay, this is not okay, material composites and science, so this is related to mechanical engineering. So you can click here to know more about it. So they are issuing more than 30 issues per year. Okay, and even here the submission, that is that is, you don't want to pay any fees to submit or publish your journal. You can find the aim and scope here. So what are all the thing they are covering? They are covering the case report, commentary, editorial, letter to the editor, original research review, everything. So you can find it here about this. The last one which we are going to see is what, journal of industrial textiles. So material science. So here you can see, and this particular journal is there since 1971. So if you click on the source homepage, you will be redirected to the homepage. If you click on the submission guidelines, you will come to this particular page, and there are no fees payable to submit or publish in this journal. And if you wanted to know about the previous issues, so you can find it here. So if you have any queries related to the particular journal, you can just send a mail to that, but editor, you can find the information here, that is a contact address of the editor. So if you're an author, so what you wanted to know, okay, you can just connect with the editor and understand what is your questions, and how to get rid of that. So we have covered nearly, I think, five journals. And if you have any doubts related to research, so please comment your doubts. I'll be definitely helping you. Thank you, take care.